My name is Luis Sarmiento, and I'll be doing the online lab exam question 1, the video demonstration, and here's my ID. So we'll be starting off with the file we'll download, the question 1 PCAP. Download it here. And then I have it here already in downloads, and we'll open up the file. So you can see with the file open, we're going to start off with checking if there's HTTP traffic. So you can see there's lots of traffic for HTTP, and we can go in further detail on how many packets this file came out as. If we go to capture file properties, and we'll see that there's around 3,500, less than that, captured, and we have a time span of 9 seconds, which is pretty concerning actually, because that's a lot of packets sent out in a very short amount of time. After that, we can use a Wireshark tool where we can see the conversations between IP addresses. As you can see, there's a main one between address A and address B in this file. But when we see the TCP flow, we can see majority of the conversations is from 10.0.02. And if we look further down, we can see the bytes from address A, which is 10, starting with 10. It's giving out around 400 bytes. And then we have a return from address B, which is 10.128.02, returning with 59 bytes, which can be a sign of HTTP flooding, as address B would be the victim. And we can further on confirm this with another filter that we could use, which is http.requests, which shows all the requests, which is from the source, which is address A 10.0.0.2. Furthermore, we can use this other filter as well. I'll put in, which filters out the source and specifically the destination, just to confirm it. As you can see, all of this is from the source, which is 10.0.02, and we're going to use an IO graph. The reason we use this IO graph is we can visualize the spikes in regular in a consistent pattern, and I'll show you what that looks like with this filter. With this filter I'll be putting in right now, this will let us see it in an IO graph when we go in statistics, IO graphs. And if we change this, because you can see it's in 1 second intervals, we can't see the spikes, but when we change it to 10 milliseconds, we can see the spikes from here at a consistent basis. We can see at a consistent pattern. So you can see here. And it shows that a human interaction can't formulate these requests. Rather, either a script or a bot can do this. So we can confirm that there is a HTTP GET request flood that is happening here. And when we search up DNS, there's nothing that really happens, or an ARP attack, nothing really happens. So we can confirm that this file is more focused on the HTTP flood